Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the green screen on Filmora 12. So first of all, we need to start off by obviously putting our footage onto Filmora 12. So as you can see, I've just got this, footage right here. So let's just go ahead and play it along. As you will notice with the subscribe button, there is a green screen. So what we can do is we can double click on our green screen video right here. And then what we need to do is we need to come to the top left hand corner right here, scroll all the way over to AI tools, click on this. Once we click on this, what we can do then is we can enable the chroma key green screen option right here. And then what that will do is it will remove the green screen. And then what you can do then is you can kind of customize it to your liking and just make it, a little bit better if you want to do that. And then this is obviously what it would look like. So as you can see, the green screen has now been removed, so it's just that simple guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.